guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a vlog style video. I haven't done one of the New York Day in My Life videos in a while and I wanted to get back into them, switching up the content. So hope you guys enjoy. I actually have a really exciting vlog. I just, I don't want to say moved in with my boyfriend, but we're trialing out living together for a week. So I'm at his place, not in mine. But it was a little overwhelming, I won't lie, organizing my stuff. So I want to show you guys like where I put my things, how we laid them out. Keep in mind this is not a ton of stuff, but it was a decent amount of things that I knew I could leave here and have for when I stayed over and whatnot, so that it wasn't so much back and forth. So made some tea, and being a good girlfriend, I am watching the sports. I'm watching the Laker game. But let me show you what I brought and what I kind of organized so that this week is a smooth one. So he did give me a drawer to work with, and I just brought some extra loungewear, so a bunch of sweats, 2 pairs of jeans, just in case we end up doing anything or like I want to change out of my sweats, some shorts, and a lot of workout gear. I've got my Set Active sets as well as some Girlfriend Collective stuff as well. Some socks, some underwear, the goods. I did bring some Zara tank tops, leopard skirts, this really nice black blouse. So we do have some options. And then if I take you into the bathroom, I put my stuff down here, also not as organized, but just my Inky List skincare stuff, face wash, deodorants, toothbrush, toothpaste, Laneige lip. The rest of this is all his. Like, I would just like to say, I think I packed pretty light, and I don't have a lot of stuff, but this boy's got a lot of stuff. And then if we go here, I have some cabinets in here which are really helpful, but I brought 2 pairs of shoes, my workout shoes, and then some Adidas Continentals, and then my makeup. Here I just have a few other items, purse, computer charger, and then he's actually gonna be setting up a desk for me. So I'm excited to see that and see that come to life. But until then, my work computer stuff is all there waiting to go on this nice standing desk. Done with my morning skincare routine. It just depends on what my skin needs. So this is the usual lineup that I mess with. Hyaluronic acid always, collagen booster, niacinamide today. I didn't use a BHA. I like to put this on my T-zone where I get greasy. Really helps with pore control and oil control. Then I use the IS Clinical Youth Eye Complex. I don't use this every day. It's just when my eye area is feeling a little bit dry. The oils really do help, the rose hip, and then I use squalane during the day. My go-to sunscreen is this one that I actually found through Michelle Phan, her TikTok video on her favorite drugstore or low-end priced sunscreens, and this one's from Amazon, and I'll leave a link. Finally making some lunch. I've got some diced zucchini, some red onion, this herb miso tahini sauce from my Green Chef, which is actually really, really good. I saved it so we could have some. And then I've got some chicken going and some quinoa that I prepped last night. Just waiting for this chicken to crisp up. Yeah, that's the color that I'm looking for. So almost done. And then we would eat, because all I've had this morning was a protein shake, so I'm starving. And then I'm gonna season the chicken with paprika, chili flakes, salt, pepper, and maybe some of this onion and herb seasoning. Should be delicious. So we're having a taco night, a fish taco night tonight. I made a corn salad, well-known, very famous corn salad, and I'm marinating some cod on the side. We're gonna go take a walk to pick up some cilantro and some Greek yogurt to make the crema sauce. And then we've got some habaneros, we've got some tortillas, some avocado. Should be really good. Back from the grocery store, got my Greek yogurt, chilies and adobo, organic tortillas, big medley of tomatoes, and some cilantro. I think I'm gonna put some tomatoes and some cilantro into this corn salad because I think it could use some tomato and of course some cilantro. So I'm gonna add that. And then I'm gonna get started on breading my cod, fry them up here. Messy product. Good. Give us the verdict, Matthew. What do you think?
Delicious.
Delicious. Would you eat it again?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you. That was rave reviews.